Welcome back to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. I'm Jack Gramlich with the Spring Lake Fire Department, here to continue our series on water rescue. In our last video, we talked about Code X and response to a submerged swimmer. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly how we're going to utilize those resources that we requested. So we've already confirmed that we have a submerged swimmer. It's been witnessed and we know the last known location. We've made additional resource requests, our personnel have arrived, and we've determined a search pattern that we're going to execute in the water. We have marine assets on scene, air assets, beach support, and medical on the beach. Let's talk about what it's going to look like. In lines of 5 to 10, our rescuers are going to enter the water together. When appropriate, they're going to conduct repetitive, systematic dives. They're going to surface, reorient, and continue down the search pattern. While underwater, they're going to dive as deep as practical. It's going to be predetermined how far they travel underwater. Most likely 3 strokes forward, 1 stroke back, and then resurface. Each line is going to have a supervisor. You might find them in the middle of the line or at the end, but whoever it is and wherever they choose to be is going to be communicated to the entire team before they enter the water. These 5 to 10 members that you put in a line don't have to be a part of the same crew or even the same department. As able-bodied responders arrive on scene, assuming they're trained in the concept, they can execute a Code X line search together in any body of water. You're going to see there's a lot of assistance from our surface assets. A lot of marine units are going to arrive on scene. That jet ski, those boats, they're going to help orient the search and assist in firefighter accountability and assistance if they need it. Now, it's not always going to be as simple as entering the water one way and coming right back with or against a current. We might be perpendicular to a current. As you can see here, that's going to be challenging for our members in the water. Not everyone's going to be diving to the same depth, and they may be resurfacing at different times. It's very important to maintain line integrity and make sure we're diving together and resurfacing together and enforcing accountability. A fully executed Code X is going to involve multiple lines of people traveling in different search patterns. This becomes a rapidly expanding incident with many assets very quickly. Accountability is paramount, and having those marine assets to assist our swimmers is extremely important. Ideally, we locate our victim and rapidly extricate them from the water to the shore and turn them over to medical personnel. But we need to be prepared to transition from rescue to recovery, at which point we pull our members from the water, we rehab them, and we debrief them on the incident. From there, we turn the scene over to marine and air assets for whatever operational periods will follow. So today we talked about executing an effective search for a submerged victim in open water, utilizing Code X. For Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, I'm Jack Gramlich. Be sure to check out our hands-on training course, Advanced Water Rescue and Drowning Resuscitation, at FDIC 2025.